That's... What the... Aw, come on. More packages? Yo, what is up, guys? We're back at it. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work on the rear end of the car, so we're gonna go ahead and jack this up. Bro, I can't do this shit.
What do you need help with? They want us to go under there?
I need strength in numbers.
Okay. Go, Andres. How you was going in? Just keep spinning. See how it's spinning there? You have to hold it now. I guess that works. Usually doesn't, but when you spin it more.
I'm just strong as fuck, my boy. Alright, this is the hard part, boys, because we gotta make the diff go down, but there's also that sway bar. Let me know if you guys need me to lower it too. Lower the jack.
Okay, well, the drive shaft is gone. Alright.
Hey, all freaky, Andres, all freaky.
Until it hits the bolt.
What's going on?
It's just hitting the back part, like the frame.
The sway bar?
Oh.
The frame. It's like stuck between the sway bar and the frame.
You can clear, yeah, you're clearing. It should be
It's hella unbalanced. Bro, you're not gonna be able to pick it up.
Okay,
it's already cleared.
Drop it.
Drop it more?
Yeah.
It's feeling just gonna go.
Bro, Vaughn, you're gonna fucking get...
I'm holding it good.
I think so.
Bro, it's hella
down.
It's hella heavy, bro. Oh my...
Pull that boy, pull it, drop it.
Okay.
Ah, shit!
Wait.
Be careful, bro.
Drop it.
Okay. Drop it slowly. We're good.
Alright, I'm just gonna jump all the way.
All the way, and then I'll let it hit the floor.
Yeah, let it hit the floor. Oh my god. Alright, that's a diff. Thank you, boys.
You're welcome. Alright, we're not putting it.
Get her on her side, boys. We're gonna knock this out. Yeah, that makes sense. See?
Unos golpes right here.
Yeah. I see it.
You gotta line it up.
Ooh, this already coming out.
Go.
Is it?
No, it's not moving.
Do we have some like PD blaster or something?
We're gonna look like those. Oh, I don't want to say that.
The one to get canceled on the first episode? I've seen videos of people with E36 and the whole flange just fucking falls out. Damn, I didn't think the GZ campfire was gonna be like this. The DQ surgeon at work. No, mom. What the fuck? Dude, that's cooked, bro.
I mean, it's lap gas, so it's a lot better. Oh, there we go.
Damn.
Okay. Don't touch that though. Do you have a socket, a big socket, so you don't risk ruining the diff? It's coming though. Be careful.
He's warning. He's giving you that fair warning.
Yeah. I'm ocean right now. Oh!
Did you touch it? It was hot, huh?
That's not too bad.
He flipped enough tortillas.
Yeah. Alright, one down. Here, let me turn it.
Take that boy off and we'll light it up again.
Oh yeah, just move the cardboard.
Shit.
What the fuck?
I gave him all the warnings and he didn't abide to them.
Damn, this is flying apart, bro.
Getting all that rubber.
You want to wait for it to,
Let's go.
Yeah, okay. Damn. Hey, hit that shit. Hit that pipe. Oh, nah. That's crazy.
That's how you get
No.
your children
Bro,
cancer, dude.
we're gonna get banned.
It's the rubber that's not letting me hit it with that. So I have to hit it like this.
Hard day labor. You know what's Cartman?
Oh my goodness.
We have to light it up again.
If
Go
we
for
poke
it.
a hole in it, we'll be able to get the fire in there. You know. Fire.
Oh,
it's melted.
Yo, you need a napkin? Oh, bro, it's on his face, bro. He's cool.
Is it hot? No.
Bro, what the fuck? Oh, bro, you should have done that before, bro. We should have poked a hole before. Dude, that's nasty. You look like Venom's coming in.
Yo, look.
Holy fuck.
You know why it's sizzling now? So the way that it works is actually.
Oh, okay. Let's.
It's the same way the coolant system works. You know, it doesn't boil because it's under pressure. When pressure is increased, the boiling temperature increases.
Esteban, the science guy.
And hidden the bushing, he created pressure inside. So the moment it got exposed to the atmosphere,
What the
it started
fuck?
boiling.
All right.
I actually don't know if that's true, by the way.
It sounds hella beast.
But you go
Again?
try, dude.
Bro, you good? Alright, maybe we don't do that for a little while.
Take this hammer away. Oil's here. Oh, the oil's starting to come out, so we gotta hurry up. Come on, go well. You'd be perfectly on it.
No, not a squirting.
That's
nigga.
hot.
Oh,
That's
bro.
hot.
Alright, we need some safety glasses and goggles now. Here, get this man these right here. Go. You're about to look like you're about to do surgery.
You want some too?
No, I'm okay. I'm not gonna be. Actually, let me wear them. This guy's a safety hazard. Last time you hit it, dude, you almost lost the finger.
Yeah,
That's
W.
not- You gotta move it over here.
Go. Try to hit from this side. Oh, it's
Oh,
out.
it just pushed. Okay. How's our tape holding? Oh yeah, that team job. Bro, it's.
If that doesn't work, I don't know what is gonna work, man.
Let it cook.
If you can,
Get the fire extinguisher.
we don't got that.
It's in my car.
It didn't fit in the budget.
It's in my car.
Oh.
No,
Bro.
no. Oh shit, that just spilled the freaking rubber at the bottom. Look.
Hey, at least there's no more rubber for you. That's what you
Just
wanted,
came
right?
back, bro.
You know what you gotta do?
Look,
No.
smother it right here.
No, and then blow it towards the carburetor.
Okay, this might not work out. We might need a fire
Step
extinguisher.
on it. It's the wind. The thing about it is the wind.
What the fuck?
Both sides, that's why.
I'm gonna have it here.
Cover it
just
from
in
both
case.
sides.
Bro, you're not? Okay, I like that you brought it out. That's cool.
Just in case. Just so the video knows we're serious about safety.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit this into the thumbnail. Let me just.
Okay, how do we
give it a
stop this?
cinematic.
Oh shit, bro.
He said, oh, shit. I got gloves if you want gloves.
Yeah,
Right?
I
If
got
they catch on fire, bro, I don't know if that's gonna help. Yeah, these are.
Like a moment.
These
They're
gloves say
fire
no, they say mechanical.
There, I got it. So, get painted.
Imagine. Try. Or are you going for the brim or going for the rubber? Oh, the rubber's coming out. It's going. You're good.
I just want anything to come out at this point.
This seems to be the only thing working after all that. This is crazy. W's in the chat. My bad, Kai.
We're gonna have to buy you a new socket.
Chat. W's in the chat. Oh my.
Damn.
Are these like some sort of locks?
No.
Well, look, cause there's nothing on here.
That's weird.
Hey, the inside is perfect. Okay, there's no sharp edges and nothing on this.
Yeah.
Like given hella. Oh, it's gooey still?
No, it's just the WD.
Oh, okay. Look at these guys burn my fucking car.
The sides, Bond. Oh shit.
Okay, I don't know.
That's what I don't want to do. The sides.
Yeah. Well, watch out.
Oh,
Yeah, watch
you're
out.
See,
crazy.
that's the connector. That's ABS too, or the I think the wheel speed.
Okay,
Yeah, bro, I think I need that.
Dude, you're
My boy,
posing
my boy's
like this,
posing.
dude. Like this.
My boy's emoting while trying to.
Bond is a menace with this thing on.
Round 2.
I left fire.
Hey, this is thumbnail right here.
I can see the reflection of the fire on his eyes, dude.
No impact on this boy.
No impact.
None of that.
And then on the other side, you're gonna use. Oh.
That's off.
Okay, let me put it on. Keep twisting it. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, bro, it's working.
It's gonna rip that.
Oh, it's getting softer.
It's almost about to fall through, bro.
Take it out.
Oh. Oh. What the hell?
Okay, now we need to switch it over to the big one. Ooh, what's this gunk here?
Yeah, there's a little just random, but.
Okay, your shit was dry. Because there's supposed to be fluid in here. There's no fluid. This bushing, that's the reason it sucks, is because the fluid goes out or it heats up and it evaporates.
So this is just to get rid of the metal part?
Yes, sir.
Damn, this makes the job so much easier.
Imagine having the right tools.
Huh?
Crazy, huh?
Yeah, I can feel it moving faster too.
And the jerks is getting stronger.
No, dude, all the rubber crap. Fuck, I should have worn gloves.
We ain't making it out, Hell Divers. What the?
Where's your address? Oh.
Should look sandwiched like this.
Installation tool.
What you got there?
My Mafka tool.
Okay.
Let's see if it works. It's my little Z1 applicator. Oh yes, the perfect, okay.
We're using this big one again?
That one, yeah, that one could stay on. The same way. Other way. Oh no, that was the right way, sorry.
Push it back.
Cinematic.
Because the bottom is what's struggling.
That's the one that doesn't get pressed in.
Yeah, exactly.
And that really makes sense that it goes that way.
Because this one, the top one is already even.
It just sits there. Okay. Let's... And then we need the big guy. Oh, get over here, big boy. We went through hell to put that on. Damn, bro, we're gonna have to show your girl this video. Damn, Esteban! Wow! You did it all by yourself.
Right. Hoorah! Nah, we're good. That look good.
That's the last one. What the? Oh shit, this thing fell. Hey, you can just drop it, This thing fucking fell, bro.
You can drop it fast. Okay, now pull it out. Pull it out. Jack it up, jack it up. I didn't realize it was supporting that much. It's gonna hit.
It's gonna hit the
Hey,
front.
pull it up.
Bring it forward.
Yeah, drop it a bit, just a tiny bit.
Yeah. Nice.
This is where my man juice comes out of Lucas oil. Oh, I forgot how fucking
Oh, it
bad
smells
diff.
bad.
That's the diff.
I trust your skill.
It's leaking. There we go. Perfect pour.
Check it out, guys. This is the next thing that we're adding on. Super clean. You excited?
Is it time for a break yet?
No break.
Or just started?
No pain, no gain. But yeah, this is gonna look really clean on the back, especially with the little bumper cut.
Alright, so when you get the diff brace, this is kind of what it looks like. So you replace the two bottom bolts of the diff with these guys. This one mounts to the top of that green hole. And then these will replace your toe arm bolts and make sure your alignment stays good.
Oh, and this hole? Yeah, so you can do the diff change. That's what it is, so you can still access the hole.
And what the heck is that hole for?
That's
Promo.
to promote their product.
Free
yeah.
promo? Crazy.
Alright. Let me get the washer. Let go. Give that little toe arm jiggle. And pull it out.
This looks like a little spider web on the diff.
Wait, but where does the squirt thing go, on the back then? Or should we put it in, squish it in between?
It goes in between.
So I gotta squish it.
Take this out.
Pop it out.
Damn, that makes it hella hard to install, huh?
There.
I need to do my side too.
Go.
Hold it.
Oh, there we go. I got the square in.
Oh,
Ooh, you have to push the wheel away.
It's perfect.
Yeah, look, it's flush now. Check it out. So you have to push the wheel to be able to flatten it out.
Just like this. Oh, it goes in between.
Yeah.
Where does the one in the top one go in between?
This one.
How much is the subframe?
Bro, where are your glasses at? Where your mom at?
Can this fit through?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's what you mean by goes through the subframe.
Oh, there, I got it.
And your car's gonna be all fresh.
Okay. I
Hella,
was just tightening everything up.
hella firme. Alright, let's torque it down.
I think that one needs to flip upside down on the little square.
This?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Because yours looks like it's bigger on the bottom. I'm not sure if you see that.
No, that's just how it is.
It's because I.
To make it look the same. Because I think it's to lock out the same area.
But it's not sitting flush.
Pushing the toe.
Yeah.
Alright, toe going in.
Alright.
There.
Keep it there, keep it
I
there.
can't spin it anymore.
Last mission of the day. Bro, what?
Straight. Straight.
Look here, go.
Serious, huh?
Why'd you take off the glasses?
So you can see.
What?
Oh my god.
He's trying to attack Andreas, bro.
Is that better?
Go. 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 There. It's done.
Alright.
The last two.
That's sick.
Bro, I want to hit the track already. I already got the helmet and everything for it.
You got a helmet? Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So that looks sick. That is sick.
Esteban, come out here. Boys, get together. Let's enjoy this together.
That is sick.
Wow.
Dude, every time you look at my ass, no.
Alright.
What? Come on, bro. Just know we did this together.
Right? The bottom part of it?
It is. It's for quick access. I mean, you can jack up the diff, but it's always good to have a nice flat surface, you know?
Honestly, we can try out the jack now.
Oh, yeah. We have to.
Because we have to drive. Now, when it comes to track day, that's how you're gonna jack up your car for something.
Alright, go.
Go for it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We forgot to pull the e-brake. That's good. Can you see it? Might be too low, Captain.
Nice. Way too low.
Really? That means we won't get in trouble. But for those who know, hella bigs.
Hella. I can't whistle, so I don't know how to do it. Hella here, man.
Go for it.
And that's VQ Surgeon signing out.
I ain't got nothing to promote, though.
Let's go drift this thing. What the hell?
Alright.